Hi, this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a back-to-school treat using the Stampin' Up! Alphabest stamp set and coordinating best label punch. Not only is it quick and easy, but it also makes a wonderful gift. So let's get started. Here are the back-to-school treats I've already created. This one says school. This one says first grade. And this one says teacher. I've made these nugget containers before, but using that Alphabest stamp set takes it to a whole new level. This is the stamp set. It's photopolymer, which means that you can see straight through each stamp. Not only do you get letters, but you also get numbers and special symbols as well. And then you get these background stamps that you can customize the backgrounds. This is the best label punch. Once you stamp out what you want to say, you simply punch it out with this punch. Today, I'm going to make another one. This one has 6 nuggets. This one is going to be a 3 nugget container. And so the measurements for this is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then we're going to score at 3/8 on all 4 sides. If you visit my blog, peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com, I have measurements for different containers for various nuggets. I'm using thick, basic white cardstock. And as you can see, I've already scored my piece. Again, this is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4, and I've scored this at 3/8 on all 4 sides. So simply what I'm going to do now is take my scissors, and I'm going to cut on the score lines at each end. Now I'm going to cut out a little sliver. This makes it easier to assemble on each of the corner tabs. Next, I'm going to take my bone folder and just go over those score lines really well. Alright, now I'm just going to take some Stampin' Seal Plus and adhere it to each of those four tabs, and I'm going to simply fold in. Oops, I missed this one. Let me go back here. All right, there we go. Now, see how simple that is? Now you have your nugget container. Again, if you check my blog out, peanutsandpaperspapercrafting.com, you will see measurements for different sizes, like a 6 nuggets. We're still going to keep it at 2 1/4, but we're going to change that length to 6 3/4, and then we're scoring at 3/8 on all 4 sides. Moving on. Now, I've already wrapped my nuggets. And I'm using the Gingham Cottage Designer Series paper. This is 12 by 12 paper. I've pulled out 3 colors. This is So Saffron, Real Red, and Garden Green. These are very, very pretty patterns, and this is perfect for what I wanted to do. Your nugget wrappers, you're going to cut these at 1 by 3. And then all you have to do is take your nugget, wrap it around, add a little Stampin' Seal, and then fold over. And that makes your wrapper. Now this one I'm making for a bus driver, and I've already stamped my letters. This is the B. It's the U. And I have a yellow nugget right here. All right, I'll show you how easy it is to stamp and punch these out. It's a piece of basic white. And then I'm going to take some Real Red. Here's my S. And then I simply take my punch and punch it out. That's how easy it is. Okay, I'll add a little bit of Stampin' Seal. Now I have my S. And there you have it. There's my bus. I will put this in a cellophane bag. These are pretzel bags that I found at a local craft store. My hands are slippery. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think I'm going to have to do this off camera. This is very slippery here. Whoops. Hold on for just a sec. Okay, got it. Finally. Now I'm going to add my tag. I used the Tailor Mag tag dies for my tag. And my For You comes from the Designer Treat stamp set found in the holiday catalog. These little apples are just darling. This comes from the Cheerful Basket bundle. So I've added 2 apples. I've stamped For You and black Memento ink. And I have a piece of real red ribbon. So I'm just going to tie this. And trim off my ends. And I'm going to trim off some of this excess bag. And there you have it. A quick little treat that makes a nice gift. Imagine a bus driver receiving this. They have a hard job, not only watching the road, but watching our precious kids as well. So now we have bus, first grade, school, and teacher. And think of all the ways that you can customize this. Thank you for stopping by. If you like this project, please come visit me again. You can find me at www.peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting on Pinterest. You can find me at Peanuts and Peppers Cards on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. And of course, here on my YouTube channel as well. If you'd like to shop with me, you can shop at www.lisafleming.stampinup.net. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful back-to-school year. Happy stamping!